FPSC Physics Lecturer Test Preparation Series. First topic is nuclear physics, and it starts from the atom. Inside the atom, the central region is called the nucleus, and electrons are outside the nucleus revolving around the nucleus. The nucleus has nucleons, and these nucleons are held together by strong nuclear forces. These forces are generated due to the exchange or mediation of particles. For example, proton is made up of two up quarks and one down quark. Also, the neutrons are made up of one up and two down quarks. These quarks are held together by gluons. Gluons are being continuously exchanged between the quarks, due to which a strong attractive nuclear force is created between quarks. As a result, they create protons and neutrons. Thank you very much. Subscribe, comment, and share.